Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This is Grady-White's 307 Freedom. This is a 2021 model. This boat's actually sold, but while it's here, we want you to have an opportunity to come up and take a look at one. So it'll be here for another week or two, so get up here quick and take a look, get on board, see all the great features and benefits of the 307 Freedom, a super popular boat. This has got the new Helmmaster joystick piloting on it, which just makes docking a breeze, getting in and out of slips a breeze, holding you over your fishing spot, autopilot. It's all integrated with that joystick. The 307 Freedoms have a nice high windshield, giving lots of protection for all the passengers, lots of seating in the bow, lots of seating in the stern. This particular one has what's called a sure shade. It extends out over the aft cockpit. Great feature. It's a game changer to have that shade available in the back of the boat. You've got two extendable lounge seats on the port and starboard side on this. So again, tons of seating on this boat, huge head, lots of protection from the elements. This is the 2021 Grady-White 307 Freedom. Come see it while you can.